So today we're going to teach you how to insert hypothesis on the arrow in your conceptual framework. Once you pay some student work, project work, thesis or research work, and some even don't have the hypothesis equation at all. Those that they have, you realize that they have written just normal H and 1 representing hypothesis 1, normal H and 2 represent hypothesis 2, and even that normal H and 1 is a far, and even that normal H and 1 is far from the arrow. No, it's unprofessional. So today I'm going to teach you how to insert professionally hypothesis on the arrow in the conceptual framework. Let's go to the board. So you realize that a lot of students have their conceptual framework like this. And this is nothing. This doesn't interpret or explain anything. Meanwhile, you have stated in your hypothesis that Banku significantly influenced headache. That's hypothesis 2. And hypothesis 1, pizza significantly influenced headache. So when I pick your conceptual framework, I need to see that here. But this is nothing. This explains nothing. And some, those that I think they have gone extra further, they have a little bit knowledge about it, you realize that they have done it this way. There's normal H and 2, normal H and 1, and some 2 is not even on it should be on the arrow. Your hypothesis should be on the arrow. You see that it's far from the arrow. It's far. You see where this one is so far. These are all unprofessional way of developing conceptual framework. This is all unprofessional way to do conceptual framework. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to teach you. Don't worry. I'm going to teach you how you can do it. So assuming you'll be able to draw it, I'm going to teach you how to draw all these things. But today we are going to concentrate only on the how to insert hypothesis equation. So assuming you have this diagram. The diagram is here. All that you need to do is to go to insert. Listen, go to insert. When you click on the insert, go to your extreme right. You see this equation. Don't click on the equation word, but double click the symbol. Double click the equation symbol. So I've double click it. So when you double, you see it is type equation here. Don't type anything. Go to scripts. Go to script. Click on the script. You see all the symbols. This is subscript. Don't forget, hypothesis is this is superscript rather. This is superscript. So you see these are all the equation symbols. So this is superscript. Don't forget, hypothesis is a subscript. So you click on this is subscript. So you click on the subscript. You see that it has changed. Now click inside the one at your left, the bigger one at your left. Click inside it. You see that I've highlighted. Then type normal H. Type your H or press your H key. Then click anywhere. Then come and click inside the small box. You see that one it has been highlighted. Then if you want to say hypothesis, which is obviously the Banku is a hypothesis 1. So they press the 1 key. Then go and click anywhere. Click anywhere. You see that? And now you have seen your hypothesis. Then it's left with your arrow. Go to insert again. Click on shapes. Then here is your arrow. Click on your arrow. Then come and draw it. I will teach you all this, how to draw it. But today we are concentrating on hypothesis. So you see that it is on it nicely. It is on it nicely. Having said that, now we come to, so now it is explain this. It is professionally and nicely represent hypothesis 1. You see the hypothesis 1 here, it is also there. Banku is significantly Banku significantly influence headache. It has been explained perfectly by this concept or conceptual framework, which is the diagram. So banku significantly influence headache. Probably if you eat banku, then you develop headache or you get headache. So banku significantly influence headache. This is it. Then you come to pizza. You know that normally the cursor might be somewhere up. When you press, look, the reason I've showed the keys and everything is this. When you press the enter key, it's like this. But sometimes it's not advisable because sometimes when some of the computers or laptops, when you click the enter key, let me show you this. You see that? It is that I've dropped it. Have you seen it? Because the cursor was at behind the hypothesis. That's why immediately you press the enter key, it has dropped the hypothesis down, so you go up. So you come here. If you want to press the enter key to use it as a drop down, you create the cursor in front of the hypothesis that you have already drawn. They do it. You do it. Now it has come. It is going. But in order not to risk yourself, just do this. Drop down keys. So don't go to the enter one, because if you are not lucky, you just drop the already made hypothesis. So you just go to the drop down one and drop it. And drop it. Press the drop down one by one. Press it. Drop it. When you get to a place that you think you're okay, then bring it here. You know, then space bar. Press the space bar to remove it from. Press the space bar for it to move from the independence box to where you want to place it. So now it has come down. So now it has appeared. Earlier it was somewhere here, but now it has appeared. If you think that when you draw the arrow it will spark that place, no problem. If you don't think so, you can just drop it down again. Have you seen it? And then, so now you see that it has come. It has come up again. Now it has appeared. So now you see that it has moved from the independent box to where you can see it, where you can insert the equation. So repeat the process. That they go to insert, double click the equation symbol, then go to script, click on the subscript, then click inside the bigger box for H, click inside the smaller box, the one at your right, for the hypothesis 2, because pizza is a hypothesis 2. Have you seen it? Then you go back again, click insert, click shape, click arrow, then you draw your arrow, So this is your arrow. I will teach you how to develop. Just today the attention is only on the hypothesis. So you see there is no on the arrow properly. So make sure that it sits on the arrow properly. So you click behind. Have you seen the click behind? Then create the space bar. One by one. One. The space bar. This is the space bar. I've seen it. One. As I'm pressing the space, it is moving forward. If I want to move it back, I just go to the back space. It's going back. So today, so press it. So press it. It's how it is on the arrow. So this is the professional way of inserting hypothesis equation on the arrow of a conceptual framework. So now this is your hypothesis. We have converted this statement into a proper representation. So this is the representation of the statement you made. You see here? So this is your hypothesis. So your hypothesis, what is called this hypothesis, you have been able to convert it to graphical representation. So you have converted it to graphical representation. So this is the graphical representation. So now we have taught you how to professionally insert hypothesis equation on the arrow in your conceptual framework. Look, this is what we're going for. This is what we're going to do. I'm going to teach you everything about thesis or research work or project work. Some call it thesis, some call it project work, some call it research work. I'm going to teach you professional way. We are going to teach you the nitty-gritty of thesis so that you can do it for yourself. You can do it for you. You too can do it. If somebody can do it, it means you can also do it. So that's what we're going to teach. Let your colleagues also be aware of what is going on and what is going on here. Let your colleagues be aware what is going on here by sharing it. Share it. Comment. You can leave your comment if you don't understand anything. Leave your comment. Ask questions. Me, I want students that they like asking questions. Ask questions. Leave your comment. If you don't understand anything, ask questions. Leave your comment there. I will attend to you. You are the reason why I'm doing this video. For you to get a lot of knowledge about how to do research work. Leave your comment. Share, like, and follow. Because with this, what we're going to do. We're going to teach you everything about research work. So continue, like, share. If you don't, like I'm saying, if you don't understand anything, just leave the comment there. I will attend to you. So continue, like, share, and follow Edmund TV. This is where you can get everything about thesis. You can also contact me privately. If you don't want to leave your comments in public, you can contact me privately for any explanation or anything about thesis that you want us to have a conversation about it. You can contact me privately. But I won't mention my number here, no, because people will just take it and do the voiceover, claiming that I'm the one. So I won't leave my number here. When you ask me my number, when you ask me my number at the comment section, I'll go to your private, I'll chat to privately and give you my number there. And I'm repeating, I'm not going to leave my number here. I'm not going to give you my number here. If you need my number for anything about thesis, if you need my number for anything about thesis, research work, or project work, you can ask it. Just ask it at the comment section, and I would rather give it to you privately because I don't want anybody to use my number to do people. I'm teaching it for free. I'm not collecting anything. I'm not collecting anything. I'm teaching it for free. But if I give my number, people will do voiceover and start using it to do people. So I won't do that. I won't leave my number here. Ask my number at the comment section, and I will give it to you back door or in private. Share for people to know the good things that is going on here. Continue, like, share. Your comment is also needed, but share for your colleagues to know. That's it. Thank you very much.